Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you when is the best time to post on TikTok. So there's no best time to post on TikTok because TikTok's algorithm is highly personalized. That means that TikTok shows content to users based on their interests and behaviors. And also what works for one creator doesn't mean that it will work for another. And also I have some tips for you on posting videos on TikTok, and the first one is that you should post consistently 3-5 times per week, because as we know, consistency is key. And also I highly recommend you to go analyze your TikTok's analytics to find when your followers are most active, and on those hours you should post your TikToks. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.